This ancient, yet incredibly resilient, species has defied extinction for over 3.5 billion years. Deep within the crystal-clear blue waters of our planet's oceans lies a world of mesmerizing beauty and unrelenting survival. Meet the jellyfish, a creature so ancient that it predates the emergence of complex life on Earth. For centuries, these gelatinous beings have been floating effortlessly, their stinging tentacles poised like deadly snares. But their enduring presence belies a remarkable story of adaptability and resilience, one that has captivated scientists and the general public alike. Jellyfish have been on our planet for over 3.5 billion years, a testament to their ability to thrive in even the most inhospitable environments. Their earliest known ancestor, the simple multicellular creature called Cnidoblast, gave rise to a vast array of species that continue to evolve and diversify today. One such species, the lion's mane jellyfish, boasts a staggering bell diameter of up to 7 feet, making it one of the largest jellyfish on record. But it's not just their size that's impressive. Their ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions has allowed them to survive even the most extreme of circumstances. Imagine a world where the oceans are devoid of oxygen, where the very fabric of life is threatened by the absence of this essential element. Yet, in this desolate landscape, jellyfish continue to thrive, their stinging cells firing off with deadly precision to snag unsuspecting prey. But that's not the strangest part. These creatures have even been observed to revert to their polyp stage, allowing them to regenerate and start anew. It's a process known as transdifferentiation, where cells from one tissue type transform into entirely different cell types, a process that scientists are still struggling to fully understand. This phenomenon occurs when jellyfish are subjected to extreme stress, such as being exposed to high temperatures or deprived of food and oxygen. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that certain species of jellyfish can even live indefinitely, their aging process effectively halted. This remarkable discovery has led researchers to re-examine their understanding of aging and mortality, raising fundamental questions about the nature of life itself. It's a topic that has captivated scientists and the general public alike, with many wondering if there are lessons to be learned from these ancient creatures. Jellyfish have been a part of our planet's ecosystem for over 3.5 billion years, playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our oceans. Their impact extends far beyond their own species, influencing the very fabric of life on Earth in ways both subtle and profound. But as we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we're reminded of the vast mysteries that still lie beneath the surface. And so, we return to these gelatinous beings, creatures that have defied extinction for millennia, and ask ourselves, what can we learn from their remarkable story?
Scientists continue to study these creatures, seeking to unlock the secrets of their enduring presence and the secrets they hold about the natural world.
Their research has already led to breakthroughs in fields ranging from regenerative medicine to our understanding of the aging process. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we're reminded of the vast mysteries that still lie beneath the surface. And so, we return to these gelatinous beings, creatures that have defied extinction for millennia, and ask ourselves, what can we learn from their remarkable story? So, if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we explore more of the natural world's most incredible secrets.